This is not financial advice, it's not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. Like I tell every day, the day they release us is false. Many gets a false down to the market, so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the hedgies, the bad actors, the co-conspirators, they are stuck. Okay? I'm looking at the numbers. I'm looking at everything that's going on. Fidelity is still reporting the short interest at 257%. Okay? Think about how ridiculously crazy that is. A short interest of 257%. Good morning. And then add that the OBV is teetering on all-time highs. So instead of selling after the reverse split, retail investors are doubling and tripling down and buying more. They're doubling, tripling down and buying more. And of course, you all know the cost to borrow is almost 1,000%. 1,000% on a stock that they claim has no value, on a stock that just lost 90% of the float. Lost 90% of the float, and they still can't cover. They still can't cover. And you know what this tells me? And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell AMC, but it tells me that they created billions, maybe trillions of counterfeit AMC shares. Because imagine they lost 90% of the float, and we lost 90% of our portfolio. But regardless of that, they still can't cover. With 90% of the shares gone, they still can't cover. How many billions of counterfeit AMC shares have they had to create and sell into the market? They did not plan on retail investors to keep buying. They did not plan on us beating them at their own game. And of course, what they did plan on was the SEC not enforcing the rules, FINRA not enforcing the rules, CFTC not enforcing the rules, DTCC not enforcing the rules. And that's what they've been doing for the last 20 or 30 years. They rob retail investors. When it gets a little tight, they break the rules. And then there's no regulatory agency that steps in to protect the market or protect retail investors. Bottom line is this. I'm not selling. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not telling you to hold. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm telling you that everything that I'm seeing, everything that I'm watching, all the numbers, tells me that they're still stuck. They're still done. And if you look at what's going on globally, and Powell with the Jackson Hole speech, where he was positive and negative, I believe they're going to raise the interest rates again next month, but that's just my opinion. I believe we're already in recession, and I believe the banks are still in deep trouble. Okay? And that's for another video. But a lot of banks are losing a lot of money. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. With the OBV at all-time highs, with the cost to borrow at 1,000%, we still on the threshold list, 46 days, still on the threshold list. Do you think the shorters are stuck between a rock and a hard place and in deep trouble? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.